In today's video, we'll be making apple loaf with cinnamon cream cheese glaze. It's loaded with spices and sweet apple flavor. This loaf is perfect for any season and it's quick and easy to make. If you have some apple hanging around in your kitchen, then you must make this apple loaf. This cake is so soft that it practically melts in your mouth. And to make it more tasty, we have piled this loaf with cinnamon cream cheese glaze. Hey guys! I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you have subscribed and have clicked the bell icon to stay updated with our recipes. So what are we waiting for? Let's make our apple loaf. First, we'll prepare a loaf tin by greasing oil, then placing a butter paper at the bottom. Now, we'll mix milk and apple cider vinegar together to make instant buttermilk and keep it aside for later use. Now, we'll peel and chop apple for our batter. Make sure that you have washed and dried your apple before chopping it. We'll now take a bowl and in this we'll add oil and both the sugar. In this, we'll add the buttermilk that we made earlier. Now in this, we'll sieve in the dry ingredients starting with all-purpose flour, followed by baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder and some salt. In this, we'll add vanilla essence. We'll now fold in the chopped apples and combine to get a homogeneous mixture. We'll pour this batter into the prepared tin. And bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Or if we insert a toothpick in the middle, it comes out with only few crumbs sticking to it. Meanwhile our loaf is baking, let's make the cinnamon cream cheese glaze. For this, in a bowl, we'll first soften the cream cheese. In this, we'll add icing sugar and cinnamon powder. Now to get the flowy consistency, we'll add little bit of milk and transfer it to a piping bag. Our apple loaf is out of the oven and has cooled down properly. We'll demold it, then drizzle with the cinnamon cream cheese glaze. Lastly, we'll dust some cinnamon powder on top. And here you go. Our apple loaf with cinnamon cream cheese glaze is ready to be served. Hope you guys like this recipe. And do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.